Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I'll show you how to check reviews on AliExpress. Open AliExpress application on your device and then go to item on which you want to check reviews. For example, this one, and then scroll to the reviews section. You see it right here. Also, you can expand it. Apply some filters at the top, for example, sort by default or sort by latest. Also, you can select whether you want to see reviews only with photos, and yeah, basically read all the reviews. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.